Imagine sending your bank statement, tax documents, or personal files to someone only to realize anyone can open them. In this video, I'll show you how to protect any PDF for free in just a few clicks. No software installation required. Let's get started. Welcome to Hello Helper. Here you will find simple technology tutorials that save you time. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Password protection keeps your confidential documents safe. It's useful for resume, contracts, invoices, financial statements, medical records, and any PDF containing personal information. Open your browser. Go to a trusted free PDF tool such as Small PDF, I Love PDF, PDF 24 tools. You can use any software. I'll use a free online PDF tool for this demonstration. The steps are almost identical on most PDF websites. Upload your PDF file to begin. Enter password. Here I am going to add Hello Helper 2026, and here we are going to check it out. This is my password, and here I am also adding a symbol. Okay, again we are going to add Hello Helper and done. Here click on protect, and your PDF is secured by password. Okay, here the one tip: whenever you create a password, you must use uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple password like 12345 6 or your name. Let's download the PDF. Save it. And now we are going to test it. Okay. Whenever I click, it will ask me for a password. Here I'm going to type 12345 6. It is showing incorrect password. Okay. And when I type my original password, and submit, my PDF will open. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily protect your PDF with password. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.